Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to be making a whipped pumpkin dip that contains basically, it's got milk, whipped topping mix, powdered sugar, just a can of canned pumpkin, and some pumpkin pie spice, which I make my own. And whether you buy it or make your own, it's just pumpkin pie spice, which is the cinnamon, nutmeg, cloves, and all that. So let me show you real quick how to make this. It's great for the office parties or that you're going to be having for the holidays or for the family dinners, whatever kind of get-togethers you guys are having, or just when you've got a bunch of pumpkins or pumpkins are on sale. Canned pumpkin is on sale right now. It's that time of year where we just start making pumpkin this and pumpkin that, and I kind of get sick of the traditional stuff and want something a little bit different sometimes, and this is that thing. So let's get started making this whipped pumpkin dip. Alright, so this is the whipped topping mix that I'm talking about. This is just the Kroger brand. They do have name brands. I'm going to put that in my bowl. I'm going to put a half a cup of milk. And basically I'm following the directions for the whipped topping mix right now. We're just making whipped topping, and yes, you can substitute and use just Cool Whip. So now I'm going to mix it until peaks form. Alright, good enough for me. Now the next thing I'm going to do is add my pumpkin. Now for me, I would be adding a half a cup of powdered sugar, but Tommy likes it sweeter, so I'm going to go ahead and do a full cup of powdered sugar. Start with half and go up from there if you want to. When I do it the way I like it, I only do a half a teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice, but Tommy likes it spicier, so we're adding an entire teaspoon because sometimes we do things the way other people like. So now I'm just going to mix it all together. At this point, you'll want to chill it in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve it. And when I'm ready to serve it, I just put some in the middle of my little serving tray here. And I like to serve it with vanilla wafers and graham crackers. But I forgot to pick up some graham crackers. So for today, just gonna have the vanilla wafers just to show y'all how to do this. But when I take it to where I'm going, It'll have graham crackers here and vanilla wafers here. So I'm actually going to put this back in the box and put this back in the bowl for tonight. I was just showing y'all how I do it. But anyway, of course you'd want to kind of smooth out your dip there. Anyway, that's how you make pumpkin dip. And it's very popular at parties. So there you go, another very simple recipe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you give this recipe a try and that you guys all have wonderful holidays no matter where you are. And we will see you on the next video.